Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 on our list is ChickenCoop Large Metal Chicken House. This large chicken coop is made from peck-resistant, PVC-coated wire, making it easy to clean with a wet cloth. The coop has a lockable steel door to keep your chickens safe from wolves and other predators, and the included cover protects your chickens from the elements. This metal model is easy to clean, provides protection against predators, and includes an insulated nesting box for use in the winter or the summer. However, this coop only has one level, which provides less freedom of movement for chickens. That part was tedious, and because of the hot temps where we live, it took several days to complete that task. Again, wear gloves, long sleeves and long pants. Waterproof PVC cover above nesting boxes to avoid leakage. Special custom locks prevent predators from opening egg nests. Easily move this hen coop from place to place thanks to durable, built-in wheels with a convenient handle on the side. Other chicken cages cannot be moved at all. The outdoor chicken house is fully covered with a waterproof asphalt roof, which will not leak rain and is more durable than other materials. Others only have wooden roofs. Number 2 in this best chicken coop for 10 chickens list is NGTEEN Tube Large Metal Chicken Coop. The steel door with latch design prevents poultry from being attacked by eagles, raccoons and other animals. No need to worry about them being dangerous outside. The large chicken coop is made of high-quality steel frame, diameter of tube, 1.25. Poles of the chicken run are 20% thicker than most other coops out there. The chicken pen is covered with 240D waterproof and UV-resistant Oxford cloth. It can effectively protect chickens from sun, rain or snow. The wall of the chicken house is made of PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh. It is too solid and durable to damage. There is an openable door in the area below the sleeping area, which is more convenient to clean the poultry house. Other chicken coops do not have this door. Large nesting box with a divider, a series of locks and sliding metal poles keep your household animals safe inside, suitable for 2 to 3 chickens, depending on size and breed. 210D waterproof and UV-resistant Oxford cloth can effectively protect chickens from bad weather. The shed frame of the spire design can drain rain, snow and debris, and will not accumulate on the roof. Our third pick is TOETOL Large Metal Chicken Coop. The TOETOL Extra Large Metal Chicken Coop is designed to provide ample space for your chickens to roam around and live comfortably. This coop is made of high-quality galvanized steel, making it sturdy and durable enough to withstand harsh weather conditions. The large door allows easy access for cleaning, feeding, and gathering eggs. TOETOL Extra Large Metal Chicken Coop has multiple windows to ensure proper ventilation and lighting for your chickens. It also has a removable tray that makes cleaning quick and easy. The spacious design of this coop allows you to keep up to 8 to 10 chickens comfortably. Veril, the TOETOL Large Metal Chicken Coop is an excellent investment for any chicken enthusiast looking for a stable and secure living environment for their feathered friends. With its sturdy construction, ample space, easy maintenance features, and affordable price tag, this chicken coop will surely be a hit among owners everywhere. The wall of the chicken coop is made of PVC-coated hexagonal wire mesh that is too solid and durable to damage. Also, the small gaps between meshes add safety to your chicken that prevent them from some predators. Fourth pick in our best chicken coop for 10 chickens list is NUGRIART Large Metal Chicken Coop. Large chicken runs for yards with shade cover are suitable for small and medium-size animals and provide large enough space to play and rest. Lockable chicken coop for 10 chickens can help keep animals of chickens, ducks, dogs, rabbits, cats or hens for foraging. The metal chicken coop is made of sturdy metal frame. The heavy-duty chicken runs for yard ensures the stability for long-term outside use. Featuring protective and resistant rust galvanized tubes, the large chicken coop run is weatherproof and of great durability. Large metal chicken cages outside of a lockable gate are designed for easy access for both you and your lovely chicken or ducks while preventing escaping and other unexpected accidents. The special designed metal latch for extra safety, and easy for you to feed your chicken or ducks and clean the inside. The walk-in chicken coop is covered with a wear-resistant Oxford material roof that ensures full protection from sun, rain or snow. The UV-protected cover of the chicken pen can be fixed with metal pipes for easy installation and be removed for easy cleaning. Metal chicken coop within 2 to 4 people and come with instruction and accessories. The components of the bolt combination design can easily and quickly build the chicken house. The chicken coop can be used as a habitat for small pets such as rabbits, ducks, cats, dogs, sheep, birds, and land turtles. It can also be set up as a planting protection shed for flowers, vegetables and fruit. Last in this list is HEASON Large Chicken Coop. This large chicken coop is made from peck-resistant, PVC-coated wire, making it easy to clean with a wet cloth. The coop has a lockable steel door to keep your chickens safe from wolves and other predators, and the included cover protects your chickens from the elements. The solid construction and chicken coop cover allows your pets to stay protected from the elements. Suitable for outdoor use from sunny to rainy days. Tube with 32 mm inside diameter and 1 mm thickness, ensuring its durability. Wire with width of 2 meters, providing a larger area of protection and installation. Hutch coated with PVC prevent rust, keeping harmless for small animals' claws. Cover used 3-layer encrypted polyethylene woven fabric can resist tearing. Heavy pedestals offer stability and security to your pet's cages outside. It can hold about 10 chickens or other animals with the same weight. Your poultry can lay their eggs in the nesting box. There is a sliding door and ramp that allows poultry to easily enter the raised housing area. There are timber ridges above the ramp to protect your poultry from slipping back. Come with a door you can watch your pets without disturbing them. Solid rain-resistant fir wood with environmental paint keeps the poultry hutch waterproof and not afraid of sun anymore. Green asphalt sloping roof to protect from water penetration.